Hi, Andrew here from Microsoft. Working from home can be really frustrating, especially if you've got an unproductive operating system. Fortunately, Windows 10 is here to help. Check out some of our top tips to help you be more productive when you're working from home. When writing with pen and paper and you make a mistake, what do? Normally, you'd cross it out. However, when making a mistake on a PC, it isn't always that simple or natural. So now, using inking on Windows 10, you can use different features to be able to make more natural gestures on your device as you would expect to use them. Make a mistake? Just cross it out. Want to remove an entire paragraph? Just scribble it out. You can even make highlighting a document look more professional at the flick of a switch. Inking on Windows 10 is making people interact with technology in a more human way. Pair Windows 10 up with Microsoft 365 and you're on your way to living your best digital life.